A Sufi scholar, saint, a Sufi thinker, writer, author, Wasif Ali Wasif once quoted that Pakistan is a luminescent and luminescence has no decline. People living in Pakistan and living outside Pakistan, the overseas Pakistani and many Pakistani people usually talk on YouTube and come and say so many things about Pakistan. Most of them are against Pakistan. I just don't know how do you think like that? For your own political benefits, for your own personal thinkings, your liking and disliking, you are just disrespecting your own country. Just look at that. Where is Pakistan right now? Pakistan has been through so much. Just remember the time when there was no respect of Pakistan. When people, whenever they were talking about Pakistan, they had nothing good to say. Pakistan has been through a lot, whether it's the political things, whether it's the other things. Right now, where Pakistan is, have you ever believed that Pakistan will win this situation? Have you ever believed that you will just proudly say in the world that you are a Pakistani? Your passport, your flag would have that much respect? Because Pakistan, like just after doing so much, still there were so many things against us. We already have so many enemies around us. We already have so many countries who are trying to just, do something bad with us. Every time we are doing something good and they're trying to portray something different about us. We already have so many of them. Why are still our nation, our people, for which Pakistan has done a lot, for which we have the safety, we have the respect, we have the dignity, do we really need some other enemies between our own people? How can you just believe that you can disrespect your home? Because just look at that, where were we and where are we right now? We have seriously won so many situations around us. We have seriously won the war against India right now. The world is talking about that. The world is witnessing about that. We have faced every difficulty coming from Afghanistan and we are there as a shield. We are not letting them do anything in our country. On the other side, there are so many other things. There were so many devastating situations. There were so many destructive situations where Pakistan has just stood firm. And we have told the world that we are the one. Nobody can have any bad eye on us. And doing all that stuff, where Pakistan is right now, do you really think that you should do that? I'm just talking about a few YouTubers who are just overseas YouTubers or living in Pakistan. They're coming on YouTube and they're talking so much just because of their own personal benefits and their own political leadership ideas and a few things which they don't even know. Just come here and just, if you want to do something, if you want to do protest, if you want to think about something good for Pakistan, just come here and start talking about the people who are victim living in the Indian administered Kashmir, how they have revoked the Article 370, how they have killed people there, how they have raped the minors there, whatever they are doing there. Why are you silent about that? Why are you not talking about that? Why are you just focusing on the political things and which has no real means actually? You know what? If anyone is better for Pakistan, world will see him or her. But if you are just coming out and you are doing something which is filtered, which is feeded, which is injected, that won't give any benefit to Pakistan. So what you should do is that if you want to do anything for Pakistan, if you really think that you have the good intentions for Pakistan and Pakistani people and you have a humanity, just come out, just do a protest and just talk about those people who are suffering in the Indian administered Kashmir, who are going through so much, who cannot even live, who cannot even breathe by their own will. So you have to talk about those instead of Pakistani people who are just living peacefully, who are living in a safety, who are living in a shield, People they are the military, the political people, the army, which is saving ourselves, who are always there to protect ourselves. They are working for us and what we are doing as a nation, what we are giving them as a nation. So we have to stand firm, we have to believe, we have to support that Pakistan is our homeland. And stop doing all this because this is not going to help anything. You are just helping our enemies. You are just helping the Indian narrative, the Afghani narrative, and many other countries who are just there, who always want to see Pakistan being isolated. So stop supporting them. Have some belief, have some humanity, have some love for your homeland. Because Pakistan is a country which I have just stated that it's a divine light. It can never be declined. So your this immature stuff, this hatred will not gonna do anything bad for Pakistan, inshallah. But what you are doing, you'll regret on this, because later on when you will see that this was only country who was protecting you, then you will be regretful that of course we have done something wrong about it. So whenever there is a situation where Pakistan is needed to be protected, there is our people who stand for us, not the political narratives, not the beliefs you are just sharing on the social media and YouTube. So you have to think about those people who are being suffered, those Pakistani people who are like going through so much in the other countries out of Pakistan. Think about those and stop like just talking randomly. Anything which comes to your mind, or you come onto the social media on YouTube and you start talking about Pakistan, because Pakistan is really a peaceful country. We have just set an example of peace worldwide. The world is talking about that, and we are the most powerful defensive country here, because you have seen multiple things which we have been through and we have fought through, and we are just here right now in front of you. So long live Pakistan. Support the belief which is helpful for Pakistan, not only for your personal beliefs.